So welcome back to Cocktails Jamaica channel, and today I'm creating a Sorrel Rum Punch, but I'm going to run the intro and get back to you, alright? So Rum Punch. Rum Punch is a classic Jamaican cocktail. I did a video on it a couple months ago, you guys can check it out. It's doing fairly well. But today I'm adding a twist. Why I'm adding this twist? You know, it's coming on to the festive season, and in Jamaica we love sorrel. Well, in the Caribbean we love sorrel. So I'm adding sorrel to the Rum Punch, and I'm using tropical rhythm. And you know, in Jamaica we have to have the vibe, the lyrics, and we can't leave out the rhythm. And it's easy to make. Sorrel, Angostura bitters, lime juice, pineapple juice, simple syrup, and I'm using JB today. Most persons know it as Jamaica's best. So let's get right into the cocktail. But before we do that, I would like if you guys subscribe, and if you already subscribed, just ring my bell. You like that song there? And just leave a comment and share the channel with a friend now. So let's go. Alright, so the first ingredient I'm going to start with, you know, it's my home choice lime juice. So I'm going to use ½ ounce because you don't want it to tart, right? And you know that the sorrel have a little hint of tartness to it. Just 2 dashes of Angostura bitters and 1 full ounce of simple syrup. Just for sweetness. And if you don't have simple syrup at home, you can use granulated sugar, you can use your brown sugar, and 1 ounce of simple syrup is equal to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Alright? Now for the pineapple juice. So I'm just going to use 1 ounce, and it's Grace pineapple juice, alright guys? So now for the sorrel. Now you have to tap it like that to hear the sound. So I'm going to use 1½ ounces. And feel free to use your homemade sorrel juice, you know, that have more spices than this one. So, right. Now for the drunker body. So I'm going to use 1½ ounces. So that was half. Now for the one. So now I'm going to add some ice. And guys, if you're using ice at home, please make it from purified water or, you know, filtered water, because you don't want too many chlorine into the cocktail and change the flavor of the drink, alright? So let's shake. You want to shake until the tin starts to get cold, alright? I think it's alright. That sounds like it. Now I'm going to add some crushed ice to Colin's glass. That's for a nice presentation. Smells lovely. So it's fine strain, just like that. Alright, look at that red, beautiful color. And just garnish it with a pineapple wedge, and that is all you need. So there you have it. The Sorrel Rum Punch. Easy to make, tastes great. You know, big belly bartender. Alright guys, so time to taste. smooth. You can taste the sorrel come through. The pineapple juice, very refreshing and nice. I want it up, man. Up like 7. I go drink it up still. But you guys try it. Tag me on Instagram at Cocktails Jamaica. And remember to share the channel with a friend. And comment below if you like this cocktail. And if you think it's a good idea. If you think it's easy to make as well. Comment it below. And don't forget to subscribe. So, see you guys next week Friday. I have something really, really special for you. So, I'm out.